Alright, hey guys. So we are just about done with the 130 R.E. DL&W rail restoration here. And we are going to do, this is part 3 of the DL&W 130 R.E. rail restoration. The rail is from the 1920s, date era from 1925, 1927. Exact date was unknown, it's 1920 something. Anyway, let's get to it. So now we are about to do the first coat of paint that's going to serve as the primer. So this one, because this is a heavy piece, we're actually going to do 3 coats of paint. So we're going to have a part 3, which is this one, part 4, which is the second coat, and then part 5, which is going to be the third coat. So now this is going to be our base coat. Alright, here we go. Applying the base coat. So now what you can do too, so yeah, so when we do get over this part here, what we're going to do is we're going to tape off the head of the rail and then give it a quick polish after painting. So what we are going to do for this rail as well is we're going to put a Lackawanna, and we're going to put a Lackawanna logo on there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move you guys over here. That way we're not getting the paint stream. So you guys notice I'm being very thorough when applying the paint. So I'm not sure if you guys can see this or not, but we're going to show you anyway. So here's the rail. There's the head right there. So this is your profile. And then here's the mirrored finish. So now you guys can see we got quite a bit more work to do. So yeah, guys, we're going to continue to get the work done, and this 1920s beauty will be finished. I'll pause you guys for just a minute here. Alright. So as I was just saying to my friend, guys, we are almost done. So yes, guys, for this one, it's getting 3 coats of paint because of how heavy it is. This rail is heavy. Here we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that one right there. This is part 3 of the DL&W rail restoration. In this case, because it's the same thing on the other side, so we'll just show it all on the one side. So, I know one thing for sure, guys. It's a lot of fun when we do this. So, anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching part 3. We are looking forward to seeing you in part 4.